Alright, I'm back with the craftsman ratcheting screwdriver. The reason I'm making this video is because I want to do an update on it. I still haven't used it. I was about to use it yesterday, but the ratcheting mechanism no longer works. I was just playing with it like this and just waiting to open the one of my door panels, and then I noticed this thing stopped working. So as you can see, that still works. And this, no matter how hard you pull, it's never coming out, even though I've seen some people had success with that, but this one just won't. And let me see, where are the here's the marks. So it doesn't matter where I put it on, it's stuck now. And I just took it out yesterday because I was going to take that door panel out, but it's not working anymore. And this seems to turn all the way around too. You can't remove that. I mean, you probably could if you break it, but I'm just gonna see if I can go ahead and change it, because this part still works fine. It doesn't come out all the way, but it came out a little more now. Anyways, I was playing with this, just trying to see if it will come out, but it never did. And somebody did put a comment that it does come out and whatnot, but man, I play with this a lot and that just won't come out. And obviously there's something in the chuck that's keeping that from coming out, which is fine. However, the ratcheting mechanism is what I'm concerned about, because no matter where you put it, that just doesn't work anymore. So it's just like a regular screwdriver. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I want to just make a little video before I went to the store and got a new one, because I kind of like it, but this mechanism is just, I'm hoping it's just a fluke on the one I got. I don't know. This thing is pretty much done, and if they're all gonna be like this, that's gonna really suck, but it is what it is. So I hope that helps.